Hey guys, what's up? My name is Vic and today I'm here in this video to talk to you about the ProDentim, a supplement that is helping a lot of people around the world, so it may help you too with your oral health. Then stay tuned until the very end of this video that I also have a really important alert to share with you guys that you must know before I actually purchase this supplement. But it was advanced and I left the link for the official website just below in the description of my video in case you need it. So all you have to do is go to the description box and click on the link below that you will go directly to the official website where you can find all the complete information about it. But I really recommend you guys to stay with me until the end because the alerts will be available only here on this video. You know, guys, that a lot of people develop oral problems, you know, with cavities in your teeth, inflammation in teeth, gums, a bad breath. And it's really uncomfortable to go to the dentist because you have to go through a lot of painful procedures and come back because it's a treatment, or take a lot of medication with bad side effects because of the chemical composition in the formulation. But I may have a solution for you guys, which is the ProDentim. This supplement is completely natural, all right? That means it has no chemical composition in the formula. It's just a blend of vitamins, nutrients, and it has a blend of 3.5 billion probiotics. So you know that inside of our mouth there are two bacteria, the good bacteria and the bad bacteria. The bad one is responsible for damaging our teeth, our gums. It's full of toxins. And the good bacteria is responsible for protecting our mouth, our oral, from developing these problems. And if you have been developing these problems for a long time, maybe the good bacteria is not in a good amount, you know, in the enough amount. So the ProDentim will boost the production of the good bacteria to protect your mouth, your teeth, gums, from having any problems, any damage from the bad bacteria, and also restore your oral health. So you will have whiter teeth, healthier teeth and gum with no inflammation, and also a fresh breath. All of that in a healthy way, guys. You don't need to worry about side effects or contradictions. Anyone can take it because it's only going to bring benefits for you, all right? You just need to be committed to it and take it every single day for at least 3 months. But I recommend you guys to do the complete treatment of 6 months to see the lasting and effective results. In addition to all of these benefits, they even offer you a money-back guarantee, so you can actually test it. And if you don't see results, you just have to contact the support team and ask for a refund that they will return 100% of our money back. So you will have literally nothing to lose here. You just need to pay attention where you're going to buy it. This is my alert for you guys because the ProDentim is available to purchase only on their official website. It is not possible to buy it in drugstores or other websites, so be very careful with that. That's why I left the link just below in the description of my video, and this is the only place in the whole planet you can purchase the original product from. Nowhere else, okay? And this were the information I wanted to share with you about the ProDentim. Thank you so much for watching till here, and see you guys around.